So it's really important that the skin is kept dry. He's already had his face cleaned off of all of the numbing. We've done an alcohol wipe. We are going to use Vee-Shields for him today. The nice thing about these is that I can get really close to the eyes when I do my laser work. So I'm just going to have him look up, and I'll place the shield here, and then I'll have you look down. And once we put the eye shield in place, because the adhesive is pressure sensitive, by applying pressure, we're able to get that nice adhesive stick for him. Easy, easy. They come off very well, perfect. And the other thing is they're disposable. Nobody has to wash.